Hey, this is Joe from RealSuccess, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of long-term buy and hold rentals as a real estate investment strategy. This is the strategy of owning real estate with the intention of keeping it for the long haul. The benefits of this slow and steady, very successful strategy includes rental income, tax shelter from depreciation expenses and amortizations of loans, and price appreciation. Me and my partners continue to use this strategy, especially on the properties that are a really good location. We like to keep these properties because they attract the best tenants, are the least hassle to manage, and tend to appreciate the most over time. Thanks for watching our short video section. I hope this brought value to you in your investment career, and I hope to hear about your real success story very soon.